If you're thinking about upgrading your drone, the first question you should ask yourself is why? What are you trying to improve? Do you want a better camera, more functionality for things like mapping? Do you want something more portable because you're traveling a lot? The why is the foundation for making a smart upgrade instead of just chasing the next new thing. In front of me, I've got a range of drones. A Holystone model, a DJI Neo, the Mini 5 Pro, the Air 2S, and even the Mavic 4 Pro. These all live in slightly different categories, and chances are you're somewhere along this progression path. So let's walk through how to think about upgrading depending on what you already own. Hey everyone, this is Adam with UAV Coach. Let's first start with if you have a Holystone drone or a DJI Neo, which are basically entry-level beginner drones. If you're looking to upgrade, the big question is, what are you missing? Do you want longer flight times, better performance in wind, a better camera with slow motion or D-Log? If the answer is yes to any of those, then yeah, upgrading makes a lot of sense. That's where the Mini 4 Pro or the Mini 5 Pro can come in. They're extremely portable, not ridiculously expensive, and the jump in camera quality and flight performance is huge. But what if you already have something like the Mini 4 Pro or Mini 5 Pro? Should you jump to something like the Air 2S or Air 3S, a Mavic 3 Pro, or even the Mavic 4 Pro? Again, it comes back to the why. These mini series drones can already handle a ton of tasks: travel photography, real estate work, cinematic shots, social content, YouTube projects. They're all totally doable with these types of drones. Now, if you want to get into mapping, let's say, that's where an upgrade might make sense. The Mini 5 Pro can technically map and do it pretty well, but it's not officially supported by most mapping software, and you'll hit limitations pretty quickly. If you need faster missions, mechanical shutters, or RTKs, then yes, stepping up to a bigger drone is worth considering. But with most hobbies, we see this all the time. People buy something, then immediately see the next shiny thing and say, well, now I need that, but they don't actually know why. They're just reacting to marketing and FOMO instead of thinking about what they actually need. And right now, with the potential DJI ban situation in the US, there's a lot of people that are in panic and wondering if they should rush out and buy something new. If you genuinely need a drone for a long-term project, then sure, it might make sense to buy sooner rather than later, because imported DJI models may become harder to get as we get closer to the changes by the end of the year. But don't upgrade just because everyone else is scrambling. Upgrade because you understand the features you want and you know you'll actually use them. If you want to learn more about the DJI ban that might happen in a few weeks, check out this video here or in the links below. Now, if you have the budget and upgrading makes you happy, then by all means, go for it. There's nothing wrong with wanting new tech. But if you're on a tighter budget, try and squeeze everything you can out of the drone you already have. Learn it inside and out. And when you finally do upgrade, make sure the drone matches the things you actually care about. So if it's camera quality, portability, battery life, noise levels, software compatibility, whatever matters most for the kind of flying you want to do. The bottom line is upgrade with intention, not impulse. That's how you get the right drone at the right time with hopefully no regret. Let us know what drone you have in the comments, and if you are thinking of upgrading, let us know and we can help you with that process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.